Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Broad Talks. So today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things here, okay? Um, and what I've noticed with the market lately, since the gas prices have been going up and up and up, and the one video I had watched, it was kind of very informative. So here's a couple things here that you will notice, like ExxonMobil here. Uh, just today, I mean, geez, look at that. That's a big increase there. Uh, talking, what is that? $2.13 just in a day. It's pretty good. Um, although it really has had a really strong week. Could have been better. Honestly, it was really up there in the 90s. I have a feeling this could break 100 again. Probably within the next few months. If the prices continue to go up. Otherwise, I would be looking toward more an alternative source, such as uh, maybe something like more energy, like I don't know, something that's going to develop batteries or something like that. Something like edit. I'm not sure how new this one is. So it's fairly new. You know what? This one right here may go up. This one right here may definitely go up. And it's going to go up fast. And here's the clear indicator right here. This nice W that's forming right here. Okay, this pattern right here. And the analyst rating is 90 out of 20 to 95% buy. Alright, let's see here. Natural gas pipeline, transportation, and transmission services. Alright. So yeah, this one right here, if I'm going to pause the video, and if you can make out what that says here, this one's definitely gonna be a good buy, which is Energy Transfer, KET. All right, and we're gonna look up battery, like battery. I know there's gonna be some strong battery companies out here. Lucid Group is still on here. How are they doing? And see, I had a feeling they're gonna do crap. A lot of people thought whenever they first started that getting it for $30 or $50 was going to be a steal, but I knew it was going to go down, and it looks like it's going to continue to go down too. If you see right here, like in this M right here, it's not much of a W, it's more of an M going on. It's like there's a little bit of a W, but it's kind of hard to tell. Now you got an M here, then another M. It's more of a stronger M. It looks like almost like a W, but it didn't come back fully where it needed to be, so it's more of like an M. In here too, yeah. I'm feeling this may drop to as low as, if I had to put a price anywhere here on this, it's gonna get kind of low. This can definitely get kind of low for sure. I would say if you're looking to buy this, and again, I'm gonna buy it anyway as a professional, um, but I would think probably around, I would say 16.5, 16.5, yeah. Looking to buy this, it would be more of a 16.5 buy. And yeah, put a limit order in on 16.5. If looking to buy this one for sure. Because this one here, I mean, just like Tesla, it doesn't have any dividends, don't have anything going else for it. But yeah, no, that's. Let's see. Energy and water. This is where you can't go wrong. These are really good ones here. Energy and water. And there's a reason for that. I know I heard of Southern before too. And look at that, 84 cents on the day. They had a strong week. Look at that week. It's a really strong week. 7% one week. Oh my. But yeah, look at the months. I mean, in the year, look at that. A really strong year. Oh my goodness. Look, even through the pandemic, I mean, yeah, it dropped only about $20 or so. Right? I mean, other companies dropped way more than $20. I'll tell you right now, some of them dropped a much larger percentage than this company here. I don't think you can go wrong in this company. I'm gonna have to save this company for myself, actually. Um, Seeing how it has a strong year, it had a strong 5 years, including what happened with the pandemic. I mean, yeah, the last 3 months has been the best, but I mean, it's not even a full percentage. It wasn't even down by a full percentage. I mean, yeah, maybe 6%, but again, $5 on every share is not going to hurt you. I'm telling you. Look at that, though. I mean, if it has the potential of making, what it lost within 1 month, within 1 week, I mean, that's a real good stock there. I mean, it almost looks like it has an M forming. If I'm looking to go in on this, if anything, maybe it was a green day today. I have a feeling that tomorrow is going to probably bring a more red day for this one here. With that being said, I would say $70 is still, you know, honestly a good price to probably pay for this one here. Now, it says 25% buy and another 25% sell and maybe a 50% on hold. But this one here may be a strong hold. Depending if it does pay a dividend too. So it pays 3.81, right? Which is good. So that's not bad at all for a company like this. This is a good company, I feel. Like this would be a good company. I'm gonna have to save this one. Where can I go to save you? Oh, add to list. Uh, This isn't really like a big mover. My real estate investment trust funds. Let's see here. You know what? I will put it in big movers. Because this could be a big mover, and I might keep an eye on that one. Alright. Now, let's go back to his energy. Alright, let's see here. Heard of TC Energy as well. Suncor I've heard a little bit about. Let me just see here. Imperial Oil I definitely heard, but I think they're going to go down momentarily because of the gas prices dropping slightly. Let's just see here. What other ones would be a good pick? Wow, there's a lot of them in here, guys. I mean, a lot of them. I'm going to go back up. And you know what? We're going to see here what it did today. This one dropped by a lot. And see, oh, wait. Yeah, here we go. CleanSpark, I heard of nothing but good things. So, hold up. So, CleanSpark Inc. is a sustainable Bitcoin mining and energy technology company that is focused on solving modern energy challenges. It provides an advanced energy software and control technology that allows energy users to obtain. Wow, you know what? If this is involved in Bitcoin, this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge, guys. And right now, it's a state $4.60. I own none of this, by the way. Oh yeah, I did add it though to my Robinhood University. I just never took it serious. And I should have. Let's see here. There's no dividend on it, which is fine. Because again, you're just gonna buy it and hold it for a little while until it goes up. Holy crap, it's been down. I mean, it has been down for a while. I think it's following the same track as Bitcoin. But it's not that far from its lowest point it has been. I mean, the lowest it's ever gotten was $1.15. I mean, yeah, it's at $4.60, but the risk behind it ain't even all that bad right now. Because if it only goes down as low as that $1.19, yeah, you're gonna lose on some money, but I mean, upside, however, but there is a lot of downside. It looks like there's a lot of M's I see in this here playing out. It looks like there may be some ground here. I would probably give this an extra 3 months or so before making a decision on this one here for CleanSpark. But again, if it is involved with Bitcoin, if you know anybody or if you know someone who knows a little bit more about Bitcoin, and if they have a feeling it's going to go up, or know if you really trust this person, and or if you know this person who's going to say, hey, it's going to go up, CleanSpark may also be something you may want to add in tandem with your Bitcoin, because this is something that it's a technology company or an energy technology company that is looking to also help out Bitcoin. So that's going to be a big name at some point here for sure. Let's just see here again. And Global Water. I also heard of this company as well. Let's see here. Global Water Resources Incorporated engages in the operation and management of water, wastewater, and recycled water utilities. This is also a pretty big distributor. It also distributes recycled water throughout the communities through a separate system of pipes. The company was founded by, okay, let's see, I don't care about it, and is headquartered in Phoenix, Arizona. The list name for GWRS is Global Water Resources Inc. Common Stock. I mean, yes, they only have 88 employees, but they also have a dividend. Now, that is good because they pay you every quarter, which it should be usually about 4 quarters every year. And some of them are a little weird. Some of them will pay like a little differently than others. Like, just as an example, one may pay January, but one may pay in February, or one may pay when the first quarter doesn't happen until March or something like that. So again, the quarters are a little weird, but it's fine. In this case here, they're not going to give you the actual numbers until August 4th. So usually if you're in there, maybe, I think it's like a month or two prior to this date, more than likely you're going to get that dividend payout, which is good. But yeah, Global Water may be doing really well for itself, I feel. I don't think why else it wouldn't be. I mean, it's a little shaky. It's a little shaky for sure. Again, pretty much at its lowest point all over again. I mean, if you're looking to try to go in here on a safe note, really there is no safe notes when trying to go into the stock market itself. But if I had to make any kind of clear indication, I would say about $13 even would be about a good indicator if I put a buy. I'm thinking probably, I mean, see now it only dropped $2 within 3 months, maybe 48 cents in 1 month, and it has climbed. So again, if it drops down maybe $13 even, if it really hits 1280s, that's a lucky break. That's a lucky call if you really put a buy, like a buy trigger, so to speak, at that point, to buy your shares at $12.80 and let it ride for maybe 90 days or so, and then see if it ends up buying it. If it drops that point, and it'll buy your shares automatically if you set it up the right way. But even $12.80 is a steal, knowing it has only dropped, I mean, in 1 month, 48 cents. And again, 3 months it dropped $2.29, and that's your 90 days right there is your 3 months. But again, it's kind of hard to identify whether or not it's really going to go down that far. Even if it does, even if you put in an extra dollar less than this, you're not really losing that much per share. But then also too, the upside is it's going to probably end up going up to these highs again, to the 18s and into the 20s again. As of right now, it's only at the 1386, but this could go right back up. So again, another good company if you're looking to get into this kind of source. Also, water is also a good stock to get into if you're looking to get into a stock that may have a dividend of some sort. And sometimes they do have one, like this company here, SJW. SJW has a good, clean record as far as I can identify. Maybe. Why do they have to go down? Okay, so within the last 5 years, if you're looking for something a little more long term, something to keep your money into, this ain't too bad. Again, water never goes out of style. People always need water. Um, and that's one of the biggest things you can ever invest in. And you always invest in what people need and people what they want. Okay. Then you can invest in clothing companies. You can invest in whatever else you think you may be better in putting your money into. But water never goes out of style. People need water to live. That is a fact. So this company here may be a good company to get into because it's a utility company. It looks like. So SJW Group operates as holding company, which through its subsidiaries provides water utility services. It operates through the water utility service and real estate services segments. Water utility services segments offers water utility and utility rate related services. The real estate services segment engages in property management and investment activity. So again, they also have two sectors. It sounds like they have not just a water portion of things, but also a real estate portion of things as well. Which they're taking the money that they're receiving, taking some of that profit and stuff, whatever they may be receiving from their water utility company, and repurposing it into either maybe maybe a real estate kind of ordeal going on here, which is very smart, if anything. And again, 2.28 ain't bad for a company like this. It looks like maybe 57%.1 is no, that is 57.1 for buy, 42.9 for a hold, and 0% for a sell, which is good. That's actually a really good sign. So this right here may be a good long-term hold, especially throughout the tough times. If you're looking for something not too expensive, something just to get into, if you have maybe $500 or maybe $1,000 you're looking to dump into this may be a good one to dump it into. The $61.80 is not a bad deal. Seeing how it went up today, and especially within 1 week, it jumped to 4.27. Again, seeing these green days like this, especially throughout a whole week, having a really, really good incline can really determine whether or not it's going to be down or not the next couple of days. So I have a feeling you may see a couple of red days, maybe to the low 58s, maybe 57.78 or 57.79 or something like that. But I don't think it's going to go much lower. But again, don't quote me on it. I'm just going by with what I feel what could happen here within the next couple of weeks, maybe even a couple of days, really. Let's see here. Global Water is also a big one as well. Another one that's stationed in Arizona. Looks like they lost money today. Let's see here. They only have 2.08, and not too far behind on the other one there. And again, water never goes out of style, guys. I mean, it's pretty much almost at its lowest point. I think I covered this one already. Yeah, I did. I think I already covered this one. It's going to definitely hit the high 20s at some point here, probably within the next few years. York Water as well. Oh, wait, that's stationed in Pennsylvania? Huh. All right. Well, there you go, York, PA. Cool. Engages in impounding. Another one that deals with wastewater collection systems and wastewater treatment systems. So again, these are also a good thing to have as well as part of your portfolio. Sure, and it has a 1.92. It's on the lower spectrum there. But again, looks like I had a few strong, maybe a week and a month there. It's been pretty strong and a strong day, but looks like it's been down overall. I mean, for the last 3 months and 1 year. But overall, 5-year mark is looks pretty strong. It's holding. About 36 at the time. Now it's at 40. I would say probably put that marker down to about, look at that, it's been at 38 before, right? Excuse me. So I would probably put a marker on that if you're looking to get into this one, probably right around that 38 marker. I mean, it's going to have a red day for sure the next couple of days, I feel, on this one as well, just because of the way it looks. All right, American Water. Also, another bottling company, it looks like. I'm not mistaken here. 1.66 on the dividend yield. And let's see here. The week, oh my goodness, the week. Wow, 12%. That's not bad at all. 3 months though, 5 years. 5 years holding. 5 year is holding. Looks like we have it could be an M. It could be an M incoming. So tomorrow may be more of a green day. Not a green day, but a red day there. It looks like this W is going to take off, and something brought it right down. So either someone got scared and sold and realized their mistake, or something happened here. It looked like there was about to be an M here too, but then it shot down. Not even an hour after, it was going right back up. And it continued. And it stayed above that line so well. Another M, and it went right into a W, and then back into that M again, and dropped into that W again. But yeah, a lot of M and W's here on that one. So that's a little more trickier to kind of figure out. But yeah, those are my top picks, guys, for what I believe is going to happen here with these next couple of shares. Now, if you like content like this, definitely feel free to drop that like button. I really appreciate it. Also, too, if you have not yet subscribed, definitely feel free to subscribe. It helps us out a lot and helps us further our goal to where we want to be. But anyways, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.